Welcome back to Speed Car Mania. Are you ready to assess the sophisticated and dynamic SUV that is revolutionizing design and utility? The 2025 BMW X2 is engineered to create a notable impact, merging the agility of a coupe with the functionality of an SUV. This second-generation model showcases a modern and captivating design while optimizing performance for everyday use. The BMW X2 is inspired by the esteemed BMW X6, which introduced the coupe-like design in the SUV segment in 2008. The X2's sloping roofline and commanding stance set it apart from its competitors. Despite its athletic design, the X2 maintains practicality, offering nearly the same cargo capacity as the more traditional X1. Rear passengers will experience slightly reduced headroom. Nonetheless, the trade-off for its exceptional beauty is warranted. The X2 features two turbocharged four-cylinder engines. The xDrive 28i variant generates 241 horsepower from its 2-liter engine, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The M35i model produces an impressive 312 horsepower, due to enhanced engine components and increased boost pressure. Both models come standard with all-wheel drive, ensuring enhanced traction in various conditions. Despite the presence of turbo lag in both engines, they provide adequate power for most driving scenarios. The xDrive 28i reaches 60 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds, although the M35i exhibits superior acceleration. The 2025 BMW X2 caters to many desires with its extensive amenities. The xDrive 28i model features 19-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, a large touchscreen display, and advanced safety technologies including active blind spot detection. The M35i specification includes sportier design characteristics, broader 20-inch wheels, and the choice of sports seats covered in high-quality materials such as leather or a leather-simulated suede blend. The X2's interior showcases a highly innovative and refined design. The raised center console offers a modern appearance, incorporating a practical design that includes a large storage compartment and a smartphone holder with an optional wireless charging pad. Heated front seats and a heated steering wheel are included, enhancing comfort during colder seasons. The rear seats of the X2 fold in a 40/20/40 arrangement, offering a maximum cargo capacity of 51 cubic feet, suitable for extended road trips. The fuel efficiency of the X2 is another significant attribute. The xDrive 28i achieves 24 miles per gallon in city driving and 33 miles per gallon on highways, surpassing its EPA estimates and real-world assessments. The high-performance M35i attains notable fuel efficiency, lacking merely 1 mile per gallon compared to its predecessor in both metrics. The X2 combines efficiency, style, and practicality, ensuring an unparalleled driving experience. The 2025 BMW X2 commences at a price of $43,625, increasing to $53,025 for the M35i model. Despite its premium pricing aligning with the larger, performance-focused BMW X3, the X2's unique allure lies in its blend of athletic design and pragmatic utility. For those considering alternatives, competitors like the Mercedes-Benz GLA class and Range Rover Evoque possess similar coupe-like designs. However, the X2 continues to be a notable selection. The 2025 BMW X2 exemplifies the harmonious coexistence of performance, style, and practicality within a singular, sophisticated design. With its refreshed design and exceptional attributes, it is set to establish a new standard in the category of compact luxury SUVs.